In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer AVAX to Trezor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer any amount of AVAX that you have to your Trezor hardware wallet. This process will primarily be done on your computer through the Trezor Suite application. So to start, if you haven't already downloaded Trezor, go over to their website and you will be able to download the Trezor wallet in there. Now, all that you have to do is set up an Ethereum address to store your AVAX securely. Trezor does not directly support AVAX, so you will be able to use an Ethereum address like I mentioned. So all that you have to do is generate an Ethereum address on your Trezor. So connect the Trezor device to your computer using the provided USB cable, unlock it using your PIN, and open Trezor Suite like I mentioned. Inside of Trezor Suite, you will be able to access your wallet, so click the plus sign at the left side of the screen and choose to generate a new Ethereum address. When you generate a new Ethereum wallet, you will be able to choose between sending or receiving, and you just have to select receive. This is what's going to prompt you to get a newly generated Ethereum address that you can use to transfer AVAX. So copy the Ethereum address that you were given and access your AVAX wallet. This can be MetaMask, Binance, etc. And select AVAX as the currency that you want to send. Paste the Ethereum address that was generated from your Trezor into the recipient's address field, double check all of the details for accuracy, be aware of any potential included fees, and enter the amount of AVAX that you want to transfer. Confirm the transaction and you will be able to proceed. You will receive the AVAX amount that you sent over and you will be able to manage it inside of your Trezor, and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish. Double check to see if you are using the correct network and use the generated Ethereum address. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer AVAX to Trezor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.